Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make noodle cutlets. Is that even a thing? Let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, you saw how to make this noodle cutlets. Now, my sister made this. I had it yesterday. I took a bite of it and she said to me after 20 minutes, "Did you realize that this has noodles inside of it?" And I was like, "No, I didn't realize it's got noodles inside of it." And she was like, "It had noodles inside of it." I was like, "Well, what? It's got noodles inside of it? I didn't actually notice that." So, I'm telling you, it's got noodles inside of it, but it is sensational. These are unusual ingredients to put into something like this, but last night I went into the fridge, I heated it up, I devoured about 3 of them, and it was so delicious, especially with the sauce. Some of the chili sauce and this garlic and chili sauce that we have, I kind of combined it together, I dipped it in there. It was just elite, world-class level of food that you can possibly eat. So to view more variations of our potato recipes, you can view our playlist over here. And you may like our spicy tuna fish cakes, which you can view over here. And here is our cheese and potato patty recipe, where the link can be found over here. And with that said, catch you in the next one.